Hi everybody, welcome to our video segment with regards to the Laaibah Roti maker. I am one of the co-owners and co-founders of a UK-based business based here in Manchester, Tamino's Kitchen, the home of Tamino's Pasties. We have been operating probably for a couple of years now, and after an extensive search on the internet, we've come across a phenomenal piece of craftsmanship. This item is the Laaibah Roti maker, as you can see here. And the gentleman who has invented this, the owner, is Mr. Humayun Kuir, based in Bangladesh in Dakar. We received this item very, very quickly. It was packaged wonderfully, very safe, very secure. We have already taken it out of the packaging, so unfortunately I can't show you how it arrived, but it was very quickly delivered, very professionally wrapped, and it came with all of the necessary items that were needed in order to facilitate the use of the roti maker. So in this segment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we utilize the press, the roti maker, to be able to press our dough so that we can make our pasties. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the press, the roti maker, okay? And as previously described, I have a little example here. So this is the dough which we will be using. So it's approximately the size of a regular baseball or softball. Okay, so we're going to place the dough on the baseboard. Okay, so it's about 60% of the way down the baseboard, which obviously means 40% away distance-wise from the back hinge here. Replace the top board, and then this is where the magic happens. So we're going to use the pressure lever, and all we're going to do, we're just going to press down just for a couple of seconds. When it's approximately 3/4 of an inch to an inch protruding from the baseboard, we're going to return the lever, and then all we're going to do is just remove the top board, and as you can see, a beautifully pressed round to be able to make our pasties.